got a truck that's stuck south of Little Moab area. My wife swinging camera and the customer with us. You want to explain what happened?
So we were headed down for dinner, down to Eureka, and cruising down in the truck, come around the bend, and the snow just, we were literally doing okay, and the snow just hit us, got super deep, went to back up, and did it a couple times, and the truck just literally come off the side of the mountain a little bit, and we're there. It's sucked into the ice, and so we called these guys to come help us out, called the experts. We had a couple of friends come down with some winches and broke the winches, and luckily everybody's okay, so we're gonna go see if we can get this thing out.
How do?
So you didn't come out through Fillmore then?
No,
Really?
we came up Lake Mountain Road. Yeah, so when I look at my GPS, it showed going all the way out to Vernon, all the way around, and coming back in that way.
Well, my GPS said coming in from Highway 6 because it's just right
well,
up.
and you were coming
but she
from
said there was
AF.
too much snow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, no, it's just so much faster to go up from 6 to that
Yeah.
spot if there's no snow. But if there's too much snow on that side,
There's 10-foot
then
drifts on the
this
top.
was way faster.
Yeah.
I mean, we've been here for over half an hour.
That's what I just said. Who am I getting charged by? You? By the hour?
Left at the same time, so I guess it doesn't matter. Okay.
So it's literally just a couple miles up this road.
Do you want me to go first, just because I have lockers?
There's no way to turn around up there
No,
for anybody.
I'll turn around.
It's facing
The
south.
other direction.
So, just to get around it, I think. But
You can get around it.
here's the winch pulling sideways to pull the back up with it in the receiver hitch. Think it'll be
Maybe.
fine?
It might be. I figured we'd get up there close to it and then look, because it's hard to tell how steep that hillside is, but driving up in the brush on the other side
I'll
of the
go
snow.
first then,
or-
just in case the front locker would help with that.
The
If not,
hillside.
I'm sure I can get out of your way.
Yeah. Well, if we need to, we can air down. I have compressor and you have compressor, so.
Okay. Now you can stop.
Let's do this.
I stopped in the wrong place. So somebody had dug some deep holes right there apparently. So I'm just sitting on the frame. So you're stuck? Yeah. Okay. But I had plenty of traction. I just all of a sudden. Well, no, I stopped and I put it in park or went to put it in park.
It would go again.
And it just fell into a hole I didn't see. So just pull me backwards.
Or I kind of want to dig in here, and maybe I'll hook onto you and have you hold the brakes, and I'll try and dig in right there, and then I'll pull you back a little bit, and then you can go up farther. Or should I come up farther?
I would come up a little further, but you see this deep.
Yeah, I kind of want to get in the ditch and dig a little bit so it doesn't just drag me sideways.
I think instead of coming straight up like we normally do, because the diff is, you can see it's on the dirt.
Yeah.
I think if I get turned around,
Go more
we'll go
forward.
mostly just that way, and this one, just keep it from
pressure.
keep it from going over.
Yeah. I'll come up a little farther, then I'll come up to about here so I can go almost straight, so I can keep side tension on it.
I think
And
that's
then-
best because
okay.
we'll be going forward. So when you're straight, as if you just hold it still, it's going to get tighter as I pull
Yeah,
it.
it'll pull over.
So I think that'll work the best.
And I'm not a.
Were you driving?
No.
So you were the passenger.
I-
Even worse.
I drove up to about there, and then my boyfriend got in, and he's like, and we literally got up almost to where the Jeep is right there, or the, what is that, a Cruiser?
Land Cruiser, yeah.
And he started backing and pretty soon I'm like, dude, you gotta stop. This, we're going over. And I don't think he realized how far he was down.
Doing that after that last one.
Was it after dark?
No, it happened about 7:30, but it was about 5 o'clock by the time we got home this morning.
Oh.
The Jeep that came up over from Eureka to get us, he broke down, so we ended up dragging him home with another truck to Fairfield.
Wow.
Yeah.
I saw pieces of winch cable up there.
Well, yeah, we broke 2 inches. There, we had one that we put around the rock, it snapped. Then we had another one that we put up around the tree, and it snapped.
We'll get in it when we're ready to move it.
Can we extend on the brakes?
Drive along some smooth.
Yeah.
Okay, them are some deep holes.
Some big holes there. Low range, low water.
Gonna have to go for it.
I have to air
James Bond would be proud.
Sorry, you guys' way.
Good job.
Got it good?
Yep.
Yeah, come on, out of the way.
Okay. I want you to stand over there. That's good.
I can get in it and Dad can run the winch or
Should we unhook the rear?
you can let it out.
It's not on the edge anymore. Okay. Then we can get your front up over.
How many pounds is that winch?
Yeah. It's a 10. But it's an American made 10, not a China 10. There's a very big difference. I think if you can see where I skirted around the deep ones, let's try to do that. And we'll get it up on top, and we'll just pull you all the way through. Then we'll turn it around.
Well, what if I leave my right 2 tires on the dirt instead of
Well-
getting into the deep stuff?
I think with the front 2, we'll bring the rear over far enough. Because if you just leave the front over there, yeah, right about there, I think it's perfect. 'Cause
So-
then you can swing back with the front.
Till the rear is run.
Yep. Yep.
That time you cut it down.
Maybe you turn a little driver. There you go. Okay, now bring it back. Yeah, right there. Hey, hold on right there. See if you can climb up on that rock. Leave it.
I appreciate it.
Yeah,
Thank you so much.
anytime. We're happy to do it.
I appreciate it so much.
Oh, okay. So, did I hear my brother right and say that he came out later with another couple tracks and broke winch line or something? Broke the winch?
We broke 3 winch lines last night.